Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 2 animals. Last class we learned about animals that give us food. In today's session we are going to learn about animals that help us to carry heavy loads. Man keeps domestic animals as they are useful in different ways. Animals as means of transport. Would it possible for us to carry a heavy log of wood? No, but an elephant can do this easily. Elephant, donkey and bullock are used to carry heavy loads from one place to another. That is why they are also called beasts of burden. Why these animals are called beasts of burden? Because they carry heavy loads from one place to another. Not only these animals, camels is used in desert region to carry heavy loads. Now we are going to learn about donkey, horse and elephant in detail. First we learn about the donkey. The donkey or ass is the domesticated member of the horse family. There are more than 40 million donkeys in the world, mostly in underdeveloped countries. There are three main types of donkey. They are wild, feral and domesticated. Domesticated donkey is used to carry heavy load from one place to another. Male donkey are called jacks and female donkey are called genets or jennies. Donkey are very social and usually live in group called a herd. The herd is usually led by the one jack and consists of several jennies in the wild. Domesticated donkey are typically used for pack animals. Sometimes donkey are trained to protect other livestock from predators. They will stamp any animals they feel is threat. Donkey typically like to eat grass, though they also eat shrubs and desert plants. Baby donkey are called foal. Horse and donkeys are called mammals, which means they both give birth to the young one and feed on their milk. Now let us learn more about the horse. Horses are herbivores, which means they eat only grass and other plants. Horses was domesticated by humans, which means they are used by humans to do some work. At least 500 years ago, they are large, strong animals are used to pull heavy loads. A male horse is a stallion and the female horse is a mare. The general term for a young horse is foal. Now we are going to learn about an elephant. Elephant are mammals of the family. Three species are currently recognized. They are the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant and the Asian elephant. In India, we see the third type, the Asian elephant. They are the largest land animal on earth and they are one of the most unique looking animal to with their characteristic long nose or a trunk, large ears and a wide thick legs. Tusks or large deeply rooted teeth. They evolved to assist the elephant in digging, lifting, gathering food, and also used to defend from their enemies. They are the type of herbivores. Elephants live in families. Elephants are very social and communicate with one another and can identify other elephant from a distance up to 2 miles using rumbling or low pitched sound that fall below the audible range of humans. They eat a variety of grasses, fruits, leaves, bark and roots. Group of elephant are called as herd. Thank you children. I hope you all understood this class clearly. Have a nice day.